Do you want to keep the cargo in your bed secure and protected from the elements? Check out the Extang Endure ALX hard-folding truck bed cover from RealTruck. The flush fit design gives you a sleek, ultra-low profile and it incorporates seals on all four sides to keep elements away from your cargo. Each panel is constructed with a robust frame that supports 500 pounds evenly distributed across the cover and then topped with EnduraShield, which is impact and fade resistant, and it blends with your factory bed caps for a natural look. To open the cover, you have to first open the tailgate, so if the tailgate's locked, the gear in your bed will be more secure than if it was locked inside the cab. Once it's down, the cover features a twist and lift rotary release latching system for enhanced security that's easy to use. Fold the panels toward the cab and they can be secured in position with the provided buckles and straps so you can drive your truck with the bed partially covered. You don't even have to remove the cover if you want complete open bed access, just fold the last panel up and secure it with the prop rods and you're ready to haul. The rugged clamp-on design makes the Endure ALX easy to install with simple hand tools and requires no drilling. It's backed by a 5-year limited warranty and proudly made in the USA. Secure your truck bed with the Extang Endure ALX from RealTruck.